Hey, what's up, guys? This is Andrew Smersek with Combat Air Training. Today we're going to be talking about the bump bag. This is a new product we have. Bump bag is for that bump in the night. So having a bag where if there was some sort of emergency, it's going to give you a little bit of rifle ammo or shotgun ammo, pistol ammo, flashlight, medical, and some communication. We will do more videos in the future talking about specific ways to set up that bag. But for that bump in the night, you could use it. For your truck gun, you could use it. For everyday carry, you could use it. Or you could just have this as a bag inside your bigger bag, like an Inception bag, right? And have it so you have a spare kit of whatever to go out with. Okay, so let's talk about how it's set up. Now, the cool thing with this is these are all custom made and there are add-on options so you can customize it to the way you want it set up. But this is the baseline setup right here. By the way, comment below if you like 3-Color Desert. I bought a bunch of it. No one's bought any 3-Color Desert, but I really like it. All right, so front pocket right here, just a flat pocket. Okay, you could put your cell phone in there for like a bump in the night setup. Or if it's everyday carry, you could put your medical in there. All right. Then we have pistol mags on the sides. Okay. You could also put a flashlight, certain types of tourniquets, knife, multi-tool, whatever in those side pockets. In the back, you put rifle mags. Now, the AK mags are a little bit too snug. I would not prefer this for AK mags, but we may update that in the future and add an add-on option. Just check the link or the description below or click on the link and you'll see. Okay, then big main compartment, so a little bit wider and pretty deep. For size reference, all the dimensions are on the product page, so just click on that if you want to see dimensions. But this is a UTM Glock 17, so that will fit all the way in there just fine. Okay, now let's talk about some ways we could have it set up. So with the add-on features, we'll look at this one first. This could be good for bump in the night. This is for my truck gun. You should probably add a flashlight to this if you have it set for bump in the night, and a cell phone. But tourniquet on the bottom. That's the other thing, is there's shock cord on the bottom, so you could attach a tourniquet. Then pistol mags on the sides, rifle mags on the top, and these have lids, which are an add-on feature. Okay, so if you wanted it to have more retention, you could do that. And for me, this is so that like you don't look and just see the pistol mags and shit. I mean, granted, it still looks tactical. Okay, I know, but just gives it a little bit more concealment to those mags. And then I've got medical inside the main compartment here, so a good amount of medical. Okay, I think that's very important, very undervalued. Usually when I look at people's medical kits, they have like enough to handle like one specific wound of each type on themselves, but not for anyone else, and not really enough to handle much more than that. Okay, I like having a lot of medical. Then I want to add a cell phone and a portable charger and some charging cables to this kit right here. And hey, if you have any other ideas of what you would put in the kit for the truck gun, please comment below. We don't want to do videos on that. But for this, if there's an emergency, I could just throw this bag on and then grab my rifle, and then I've got pretty much what I need. And if I'm trying to if I have to do a reload or something like that, all I have to do is have this bag over on the front, pull that lid out of the way, and the mags are actually orientated a little bit nicer for my left hand to get, whereas when they're vertical, it just changes the angle a little bit. It's not a big deal, but it's kind of nice having it like that. So that is the one I have set up for my truck gun. And the other thing I have on the front is Velcro. So that is one thing that people are really liking about this bag, is they can use it for their shotgun. So this has SOE shotgun cards on it and in it. Okay, so tourniquet on the bottom, flashlight on the side, pistol mag on the side, and then in the main compartment right here, spare cell phone. Okay, so having a cell phone that's always charged that you could call 911 with, and then I would also want a 911 script next to it. If you haven't done a force on force class where you have to make a 911 call, you should really do that, because that is one thing people really mess up on. But anyways, so then medical in the main compartment. So if I if I were to run out of shotgun ammo, I have this on me. I have 5 shotgun cards, right? 3 on the front and then 2 in the back. So I could just rip this thing off, throw it on my shotgun, and keep going. I really like that rig. That's something I'm like, that's fucking awesome. Okay. Another way you could have it set up is for everyday carry. So this is my wife's bag. She has medical in this front compartment. Flashlight, RAS tourniquet, which everyone's going to go crazy about. Recon tourniquet, which everyone's really going to go crazy about. Then she keeps her wallet back here, and then her cell phone in this pocket. Now it is pretty tight for like a wider cell phone, so just be aware of it. These are designed for rifle mags, not for wallets and cell phones. Okay, but she's been doing it. All right, and then inside the main compartment, she has a Glock 19 and a spare mag. So for her, with this bag, if you just take that 550 cord loop attached to the zipper, have only one exposed and have the other on the inside, it's set up so that she can only grab one when she goes to pull. Okay. For her right-handed shooter, grab the strap, or excuse me, you want it underneath your right arm. Grab the strap with the left hand. Grab that tab, pull it all the way back, get in on the gun, and then draw it. Okay. Now the fanny pack that we make, the EDC fanny pack, is going to be a faster draw, but she doesn't always want to wear the fanny pack, so she has been liking this setup a lot. Yeah. Anyways, one more thing I was thinking about making, like an actual handle for the zipper that you could attach to like any zipper. So comment below if you want that. If you have any questions, please comment below. Again, dimensions are on the website, prices on the website. All the add-ons are listed on the website, so just check that out. But yeah, pretty happy with this bag. Been pretty damn busy sewing them. I haven't even made a YouTube video about it, but sold a lot just off people seeing it on Instagram. So thank you for watching. Keep fighting communism, and remember that training saves lives.